Get a mic check. What? Mic check. Are we live, doubles? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Do we have peoples here? Do we have peoples here, doubles? Do we have the peoples here? Are we live, doubles? Can you hear me? Can you can hear me on that one? What about the other one? What about the other one? You hear me on both? Oh my, that's fantastic. All right. I don't see any peoples in yet. I don't see nobody yet. Do you see anybody yet? All right, all right, all right. Let's get that share party going on. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's get some peoples in the house. And then we'll go and check out the folks. Yeah. All right. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's go. Let's get the first 100 folks in here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get the first 100 folks in here, ladies and gentlemen. It's another episode of Power Play. Power Play. If you're new to the show, let me break it down to you. Power Play is a show that happens in between the mad rush of the early morning trading session and just before Power Hour. So what we do is we check out all of the top gainers just before Power Hour, right? And we do technical analysis, look at the news, look at the float, look at the size of the volume, and much, much more, and decide whether or not any of these stocks have gasolina in the tank for Power Hour. That's the power portion of Power Play. The play portion of it is we realize that these stocks need to be put on high heat, basically. They got to simmer. They got to simmer a little bit. Doubles, they got to simmer a little bit. And, we got to give them a little time to cook and get ready to be served, right? So we go out there and we get some wins, some victory royales in Fortnite for our community, the Indelible Tribe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So that's the play portion of it. So that's why we got Power Play, the Power Play show. All right. We killed two birdies with one stone, right? Is that the saying? Kill two birds with one stone?
Yeah.
Something like that. Something like that. And remember, the early bird gets the cash, right? Doubles, the early bird gets the cash. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're not subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Set the notifications on at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money. And of course, you're also going to want to follow us on X.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Money, we provide on X 24 hours a day, 7 days a week financial news, and of course Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours. It's all kind of content pertaining to small cap and micro cap stocks, whether it's technical analysis, filings, press releases, and much, much more. So go ahead and follow us on X.com at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and of course we're also on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. At Coach Nick Money, and we're also on TikTok at DBL Nicks. At DBL NICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And obviously during this episode of Power Play, what we do is we actually provide the community, the Indelible Tribe, with access to our private custom Discord scanner. One of them. We have several. One of them. This is the Market Mover Top Gainer scanner that you're seeing on the left side of the screen, so we can actually monitor the stock market in real time as we're going through the Power Play show, baby. The Power Play show, doubles, right? Yeah. So we got that over there. And of course, if you'd like to check out the scanner in real life for yourself, you could join our Discord community with a 4-day trial for $9.99, and it will give you access not only to this particular scanner, which is the Market Mover scanner, which is very important because it runs pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, and it provides float, volume, and those hyperlinks on the top are actually the links to news and information about the particular stock, why it's moving, what's the filings, what's the press releases, does it have a shelf registration, and much, much more. All of that information is available not only in this scanner, but in other scanners. And we also have a parabolic watch scanner, a parabolic potential breakout scanner called Ticker Tape. And you can see it alerts as particular stocks start to move. You can see that. So let's go back to the market mover so you can see it. In addition to that, we provide other services, educational content, and of course, the community is off the hook. And of course, we're there to help you out to achieve your goals and aspirations. But ultimately, it's up to you to make things happen for yourself. We're there to make it easier because it's not so easy. Despite what some might say, it ain't so easy to always make money in the stock market. You know what I mean? Doubles. You know what I'm talking about? So the more tools and the more support you have, the better. But it's got to be the right support, Doubles. It can't be that fugazi, nonsensical stuff. Yeah, everything's simple. Don't worry. Just do what I tell you. No. You got to learn. You got to educate yourself. Don't buy the bologna. Buy the filet mignon, baby. Woohoo! Ooh, baby. Let's go. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and work on getting a dub for the community first. And as we get over 100 folks in here, let's get a share party. Let's get 100, 200 folks in here. Once we got a couple people in here, we'll start going through the stonks and start discussing the possibility of these stonks actually moving. So let's get a share party going on. Let's get to the first 100, first 200, and we'll start going through the stocks. Meanwhile, I'll get a dub for you. That's what I'm going to try to do. I'm going to try to get a W for you. Right now on the scanner, the big runner is SMX. SMX has been running like crazy, back and forth. If we go on the scanner, you could, on the chart, if we go back, you could see that this stock has gone absolutely bonkers through the most recent history. You could see that, and it's starting to run up again today. It is quite expensive at this point. It is quite expensive at $35. It was higher than that, right? I think it was higher than $35. Wasn't it, DBL Moms? Yeah, something like that. It was higher than that. So this stock is a 9 million float stock with 14 million volume, right? So we'll keep an eye on it. Why not? Right? Why not, Doubles? Why not? You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All right. In the meantime, we're gonna go get that dub. The dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna get a dub. Rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna get a dub. Right, Doubles? What do you think? Rub-a-dub-dub. We're gonna get a dub. MNTS also ran a couple of days ago, but right now you can see it's kind of choppy. There's some choppiness. All right. The bus has taken off. Where are we going to land, Doubles? Let's make it a little bit different, Doubles. We're going to make it a little different. We're going to land somewhere that we don't typically land. How about that, Doubles, huh? What do you think? What do you say? What do you do? What do you think? What do you say? What do you do? Huh? Let's do it. Woohoo! Doubles. Let's go, Doubles. All right, here we go. This is the play portion of the show, Power Play. You're following us on the show, Power Play, where we discuss power hour possibilities and get winning activity dubs for the indelible pride. That is you, baby. We hope you achieve your goals and aspirations. We want you to achieve them all. And we want you to leave your mark. We want your mark to be indelible, unerasable, baby. One of a kind, baby. Let's go. Doubles. I want to hit this thing right here real quick. I should go for a weapon first, but I just feel like I should hit that, you know? I'm just saying, yeah? Get a little bit of that slurpee on, you know? A little slurpee slurp. Alright, I feel like I could get busy. I can get jiggy with it. What do you think? Can I get jiggy with it, Doubles? Woo! Did I miss one of these things? I did. See? I missed this. AR, come on. Oh, box. Why not? Well, why not? Ooh, a sniper. I got a sniper, Doubles. I got a sniper. I got me a sniper, bruh. Yes, sir. A sniper raffle. Doubles. A sniper raffle. Let's go over here and mess with these fellas. Why not? Anybody over here? Anybody want to play? Anybody wanna play? Anybody here? Nobody? Somebody's there, Doubles. Somebody is there, Doubles. Ooh, but there's a llama over here, and I'd rather get the llama, bruh. Let's get the llama, bro. What do you think? What do you think, Doubles? The llama or no? Ooh, I'm being a tactician, brother. I'm being a tactician, bruh. Right, Doubles. I'm being a tactician, bruh. I'm not messing around here. I'm gonna get the Victory Royal. The Victory Royal SMX 85%. Alright. Alright, where is this guy? We're gonna see if he's around. Dum. Ooh. Woo! Woo! Oh, I missed it, bruh. I missed it, bruh. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna try to get this guy, bro. You know? What do you think, Doubles? Should we do it or what? But first, I want to get the slurp on the plane. You know, I want to get the plane all set up. I don't see nobody. I don't hear nobody. I don't usually land over here. Ooh, there's an enemy right there, bro. Bruh, he's right there. You see him?
Yes, sir.
I gotta work on my aim with this sucker, you know, Doubles.
Yeah.
Where is he? He's right there, bro. He's right over there, hiding. I keep missing, bro. What the heck? What is going on, bro? I don't know. Where is he? He's in a gully. I should just like land and mess him up, right? I should, right? Ooh, you messed me up, bruh. Out of here, bro. Give me that gun. Give me that. Give it to me. Give it to me. Just give it to me. I'll take everything from you. I'm gonna take everything from you. It's all mine, I tell you. I got the indelible tribe that I gotta take care of, yo. Don't you understand, bruh? Don't you understand, bruh? These folks don't understand that I got the indelible pride to take care of, bruh. They don't get it, yo. They don't get it, yo. They don't get it, yo. Right, Doubles? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. 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 Right, Doubles? What do you think? Should we get it or what? Alright, alright. Woo. Let's fix the plane a little bit, right? Why not, Doubles, right? We should fix it a little bit, right, Doubles? Right? Yeah, we should. We should. Uh-huh. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Ooh-wee. 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 Here we go. 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 Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 bum. Double trouble. All right, Doubles, you see anybody? Let me know if any of the stonks are running also, Doubles. Let me know, Doubles. I need to know. I need to know these things, you know? Ooh-wee. I think I want that right there. I think I want that, bro. I think I want that. I think I want that. Na 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 na. Somebody here? Are they here? Are they here? Where they at? Ooh. Alright, here we go, doubles. Alright, doubles, here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, let's get out of here. Taking too much of my time. Taking too much of my time, doubles. You know what I mean, bro? There's a drop right there, bro. What do you think? Oh, it didn't go down yet. Did not go down yet, bruh. Let's get that share party. Let's get over the first 100, and then let's go for 200. Let's get that dub for the community. What do you think, doubles? Should we get the dub for the community? We should, right? We should, we should. Is that drop still there? It is, right? It is still there. I told you. I told you the drop is there. Hey, is that the sign for the block? Doubles, is that the sign for the block right there? I think it is, bro. Yeah, look, see? The sign for the block. They are going to have the block, it looks like, bro. You know? You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? Where's the drop, bro? Oh, it's right there, see? All right, doubles. Why not? Why not? Bada binga. Bada binga. I don't know. I feel like, should I take the snowball launcher? What do you think, doubles? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. You know what I mean? Why not? Why not, doubles, right? Why not? Why not? Why not? Let's get like a little bit more little mattage over here, you know what I mean? And let's get inside. Let's get ourselves inside, doubles. What do you think? Get a fresh plane. Why not? Why not? You know? Let's go for that fresh plane. Glue is moving on up. Glue is moving on up. Man, MNTS moving on up. Moving on up. MNTS moving on up. Moving on up. Moving on up to the big time, doubles. To the big time. Somebody's shooting at the coach. You see how these cowardly dudes just shoot at the coach all the time as soon as I turn my back on them? Bro, you see it, right? Alright, where you at? Where are you, creature? Where are you? Yeah, I'm coming at you. Why aren't you shooting now? What happened? What happened? What happened? Why are you not shooting? What happened? Oh, yeah, now you're hiding over here, right? Now you're hiding over there. See? Keep hiding, bruh. Keep hiding, bruh. Keep hiding, bruh. Oh, wait a minute. It was a plane? Is that what it was? It was a plane, bro. Alright, bet. Bet. Dogfight it is, I guess, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's too many of them going on right now, bro. I'm out of here. There's too many of them, bro. Too many. Let them play with each other. Yo, this guy keeps chasing me, bro. You know what's gonna happen, right? You know what's gonna happen, right? I'm gonna end up whacking him. Here they are. Here's the two clowns. Watch me get them now. Yeah, right. That's what I figured, bro. Somebody right there, right? Get out of here, bro. Are you serious, bro? Man, what's going on, bro? Yeah, okay. What happened, bro? What happened, Billy? What happened, Billy Bad? What happened, Billy Bad? What happened, bro? What happened, bro? Yeah, exactly what I thought, bro. Exactly what I thought, bro. Exactly what I thought, bro. Right? How did that go, Doubles? Yo, they still shooting at me, bro. Unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable, bro, huh? What do you think about that, bro? Unbelievable. Unbelievable, Doubles. Unbelievable. What do you think, bro? Yeah. Did you see how ornery they were? Yep. They were absolutely ornery, bro. They weren't being nice to me. They weren't being nice to me, bro. More shooting at me, bro. Do you believe this? Guy's gotta go. That guy's gotta go. This thing is crashed out pretty bad. We're an RPG, bro. Oh, wee! RPG. Ooh. Let's go, baby. Let's get that shit party. Come on, we're going for the dub. Rub-a-dub-dub, baby. Rub-a-dub-dub. Lucy trying to move back up. It had started barcoding, bruh. We didn't like the barcode on it, bruh. Nah, we didn't like that, bruh. We didn't like that, bruh. Oh man, bro. I just popped it accidentally, bro. Oh well. Oh well. That's just the way it is, bro. I popped it accidentally. I popped it, yo. I popped it, bro. What's going on here? What's going on over here, bro? Alright, alright. Alright, doubles. Doubles, doubles, toils and troubles. right, here we go, bro. How many folks are here, Doubles? How many folks, bro? How many folks we got here? Oh, we got this clown right here. This clown right here. He just put himself above us. All right, now you know there's traps in here, my fella. Now you know. Now you know, fella. Come on, bro. Oh, dude. Oh, dude. Oh, man, he got me, bro. Look at his health. Oh, dude. That was sad. I want to see what happens with this before we go to the stonks, Doubles. We still got time. Let's see what happens to this guy. Oh, it's a 1v1. I got to root against him. Because he went after the coach. You know what I mean? Come on, get him! Get him! Oh, this guy's a potato. Come on, man. Even a potato can win. Look at McDonald's. No! Bro. Freaking potato. Come on, now.
That was very quick on the draw.
That was a potato right there. All right, let's get a share party going on. Let's take a look at SMX. SMX DBL Moms is in the house, a.k.a. the Serengeti Specialist DBL Moms. Let's go. And, of course, the star of the Microcap Morning Show, the one and only DBL Nix is in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. Check him out at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Monday through Friday on the Microcap Morning Show. He and the Serengeti Specialists are hunting down all the parabolic plays for the indelible community Monday through Friday, 8:20 a.m. into the opening of the stonk market, pre-market, and into the opening. Go ahead and check it out. Set the notifications on YouTube at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money. We're looking at SMX. It had another run up. So this stock has had a history of running up in the past couple of months or so. I think at one point the stock was well over $100, and today it went up to about $40. It's pulling back right now. It's a bit of an expensive stock. The float's 9 million, volume 14 million, so it's moving on relatively light volume, currently up 75%. It's a notable mention. It is the leading gainer, but it's kind of expensive. You know what I mean? Kind of expensive. MNTS, take a look at MNTS. MNTS is trending upward. This stock has also run earlier, like last week, I guess it was. It ran, right? So let's get a share party. Let's get the 500. It ran last week. It's currently moving up. It's very choppy. You can see that the price action is quite choppy. The float on it is 2 million. You can see the float on the custom scanners from our Discord community that we're sharing with you, lower left-hand corner. And we can see that they got a considerable amount of volume, 21 million over the course of the day. So you have more than a 10x rotation of volume to the float. So it has had quite a bit of volume. The 9 EMA is stacked. You can see it. The 9 EMA is stacked above the volume weighted average. But what's starting to happen is the price action and the 9 EMA is starting to separate away from the VWAP, which is usually a signal that the price action needs to start pulling back down to get more of an equilibrium, if you will. And we can see that the RSI is in fact in the overbought area, so a pullback would not be out of the question with that. Alex Martinez said, MNTS been cooking all day. I held on a small portion of 10 shares since Monday, and it's been something up over 100% and bagged SQYQ SKYQ with over 90%. Been on fire. Let's go, Alex. I know you were talking about it this morning on the Microcap Morning Show. Let's go. It's Alex, Doubles. It's Alex. Let's go. Alex, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Green a bull, green a bull, green a bull. What? Oh, what? Oh, what? Let's go, baby. It's all about the Benjamins, baby. It's all about the Parabolic, right? How's it go, Doubles? How's it go? How's the song go? Santa Parabolic. Whoop, whoop. The sound of money. Whoop, whoop. Let's go, baby. Money, 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 money. Money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, so that's MNTS making some money for our boy Alex in the house. NVVE. Let's go. NVVE in the house. Let's see. What's up with that? All right, so this stock popped, and now it's just consolidating. It's consolidating. So I don't know. We don't see any significant movement on the RSI. It is indifferent. It's in the middle, so there's no clear winners between the buyers and the sellers. Of course, we still have a good solid 58 minutes before power hour, so there's a lack of volume right now. That's why we let these stonks simmer on high heat, baby. Other people cook with low heat. No. The Indelible Tribe needs high heat, because that's what we do, yo. It's what we do, Doubles. It's what we do. It's what we do, baby. It's what we do. I'm just saying, Doubles. I'm just saying. All right, so the stock's up 56%. It is a low floater, 1 million shares, 55 million volume. Let's see if there's any news on NVVE. I thought there was. Didn't they have like some kind of news from Japan or something like that? I read something about Japan or blah 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 blah. Yeah, it was yesterday. Japan to launch 2M grid scale battery storage project in somewhere in Japan. So that was the story. But right now it's just consolidating, bro. So it needs to break out of this consolidation. It's in a channel. I mean, I guess you could say it's consolidated into a pennant situation, right? A pennant situation like that. But it's going to need volume love to show that it is going to be the right pick, the right selection. You know, it's going to need to get volume for NVVE to be sexy to me. You know what I'm saying? Lucy in the sky, high. All right, so this stock came out with news. They're trading higher because their Q4 sales of 1 million was up 45% year over year. Okay, and I think this is like they got like interactive eyewear, something like that, if I remember correctly. I might be wrong. I don't know. I'm just saying. I think that's what it is. And it has a history of running on up and then coming on down. So it formed the pennant as well, and it's going to need some volume love to redeem itself because the volume kind of dropped off after this big runoff right around the time of the opening of the trading days. But it too is in a pennant, Doubles. Pennant. What we don't want it to be is a head and shoulders pattern, right? So this would be a shoulder, this would be a shoulder, this would be a head, but it's holding on this side of the shoulder. So the longer it holds, it could potentially be the makings of a breakout as it continues to hold a level. Let's see if the price action can stay above the VWAP and the 9 EMA can stay stacked above the VWAP. RSI would need to drift into the overbought area to give me some confidentiality. You know what I mean, Doubles? Some confidentiality, You know what I'm saying? I want to be confident. I'm not confident yet, so I'm going to let this one cook a little bit. Yo, Doubles, raise the oven a little bit. Make that sucker burn a little higher. Burn it up, baby. Burn, baby, burn. Let's cook this sucker real well. All right, so we got 55 minutes still for power hour. Let's go to the next stonk. Let's go to RGC. RGC drifting on up. It's got earnings in about less than 2 weeks, currently up 45%. It's a heavy floated stock at 55 million shares. It's an expensive stock at $48.19, and it only has 3 million shares in volume. Not my cup of tea, Doubles. Not my cup of chai tea. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. No. I don't know. Let's go check out Glue. Glue, how you doing, Glue? How you doing? All right, same situation with this stock. It's kind of consolidated. It too has a pennant possibility, but you could see that the RSI is dipping, which suggests that it's probably going to break down. I'm not even going to do it as a pennant. I'm going to do it more like a double top, Doubles. You know, because to me it looks a little bit more bearish than bullish. You know what I mean? I hope I'm wrong. I don't want that. I don't like bears. I like bulls. Give me some bull, yo. Give me some bull, yo.
Oh, baby.
Give me the Bulls with the horns, yo.
Yes,
The
sir.
Chicago Bulls. The Chicago Bulls, bro.
Yes, sir.
I don't even watch football.
Uh-uh.
I don't even watch football. You heard what I said? I don't even watch football.
I know.
The Chicago Bulls are a basketball team, bro.
I know.
Okay, I just wanted to point that out. It was a little bit of a dad joke, bro.
Actually,
It was a little bit of a dad joke.
I did not know.
Walk with me, bro. Walk with me.
I'm
Walk
walking.
with me. Work with me.
I'm walking.
Come on now.
I
Come
don't
on
know.
now.
I don't know.
Come on now. Come on now.
Basketball or football?
It's not football or basketball. It's rugby, bro.
What? I didn't play that stuff.
I don't know, man.
I don't know.
I'm just getting ready to watch the World Series and see who's going to win the football game. Come on now. Come on now.
Oh.
I don't know what I'm saying, bro.
I mean,
I don't know what I'm
right.
saying, bro. Let's get a share party.
You're right. Technically, you are.
Let's get a share party. Let's get to 600 doubles. We need to get to 600.
Yeah.
We're almost there. Let's get a share party. Let's share it up, share it up, share it up. Let's go to 600, folks, as we check out the different stonkaroos. Let's go and take a look at MNTS one more time. Let's take a look at it. MNTS, baby. MNTS. As it keeps drifting up. I'm going to just give it a trend line, bro. Let's see if it can maintain the upward trend. You know what? Even better. An upward trend channel. Channel doubles. Channel time. Channel time. It's a little bit of a channel time. Channel time. Channel time. Oh, my. DBL Moms in the house. DBL Moms is in the house. All right, all right. Okay, let's go ahead and check out some other stonks. Let's go to, I guess we'll leave it on MNTS. Let's keep an eye on that. 57%. 2 million float, 22 million volume. Let's see if there was any news on MNTS. I thought there was news on it this morning. Again, I think they put out some more news. MNTS. Some news on it? Yes or no? Yes or no? No, yes. Yes or no? No? Yes, no?
Trading resumes.
Alex said, yes, sir. That's the only football game I watch, but Patriots are in playoffs, so being a New England, I must watch. Yes, sir. Hey, you know what? I don't follow the game, but if you like the New England Patriots, I'm right there with you. Let's go. Let's go. They used to have Tom Brady. Why not? Why not? Do we have any news on MNTS? What's up? What's up? What's up?
They had some sort of direct offering yesterday.
What happened?
Yeah, direct offering.
They did a direct offering. Well, that would make the price go down. That was yesterday. Today's today. Today's today. Listen, it's a little choppy, but it's on an uptrend and it's in a channel. We'll keep an eye on it. We'll keep an eye on it, doubles. Let's go get a double for. Let's go get a double. Let's go get a dubs for the community. Let's get a dub for Alex, man. Alex is making money, bro. He's making money. Alex is making money, bro. Come on now. Come on now. Why not? Why not? Let's do it for Alex. Let's do it. We'll do it for all the indelibles, but specifically for Alex. Why not? Let's go. Let's go. Man, I really messed up the last game. I should have won, bro. I should have won, bro. I relied on the RPG too much, bro.
Soccer player. Who's this Tom Brady? He's some sort of soccer player.
Is he a soccer player? Now you know who he is. Cut it out. Cut it out. That's Messi, bro. That guy Messi. Can you imagine walking around your whole life and your name is Messi? Yo, what's your name? I'm Messi. No. What's your name, bro? I'm Messi. I'm not talking about your room. What's your name, bro? Bro, what's your name, bro? The other dude's got a cool name. Ronaldo.
These guys sound like heck of These guys sound like a basketball player, man.
What if they were on the same team? Messi, Ronaldo. Right? That's messed up, bro. Messi, Ronaldo. I don't even want to think about it, bro. I don't even want to think about it. I'm just saying. Come on now. Oh, look. They're dancing, bro. Look. These people are dancing. I want to dance with them, bro. Come on now. Let's go. Shake that thing. Make it happen. Come on now. Everybody. A 1, a 2, a 3. Now. Push it. Come on now. I don't know. I was just trying to be friendly, bro. I was just trying to be friendly, bro. I don't know. I was just trying to be kind-hearted. Ooh, I did a little salsa for him. A little merengue. A little merengue, bro. A little merengue. A little MJ, bro. You know where I haven't gone in a while? In a hot minute? I haven't gone here, bro. Let's go to retail. I haven't been there in a hot minuto, bro. A hot minuto, bro. And I'm feeling ornery. We're watching MNTS drifting on up ever so slightly, 55%. NVVE moving up. NVVE. I might have to switch it to NVVE. It's moving a little bit, you know. Let me put it up. Let me put it up there. NVVE. Let's check it out. It broke out of the pennant. Holy moly, doubles. Holy moly. It broke out of the pennant. 67%. 1 million float. 56 million volume. And it's got the news from Japan. Japan. Japan, baby. Japan. It got Japanese news, baby. Japanese. Japanese, baby. Where's the enemy at? Let me at him, bruh. Unleash the beast. I'm ready. I'm ready, I tell you. Come on now. Come on now. AR. Come on. Give me an AR. All right. Garbage AR, but I'll take it. All right. Where are they coming in? Right there. Okay. How about this fella? Really, bro? Give me that gun. Give me that gun, bro. Give me that gun, bro. Give me that gun, bro. Just give it to me, bro. Just give it to me. I don't care. I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear none. I don't want to hear none, bro. Uh-huh. Doubles. Double trouble, bro. Double trouble, bro. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. There we go. Why not, bro? Why not, bro? Do this, do that, do this. Why not? Why not, bro? All right. Not bad, right? Not bad. All right, that was quick. Ooh, Pumposaurus Rex. Why not? Right, doubles? Why not, bro? What do you think, Doubles? What do you think? What do you say? What do you say? What do you say, Doubles? What do you say? Alright, 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 alright. I don't know. I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. I don't see nobody. No more. Ooh, right there, bruh. Watch this, bro. Watch this. I'm gonna use the suppressed pistol. Watch this, bro. Watch. Woo-hoo! He knows I'm here now. He knows I'm here now, bro. He went up, bro. All right, whatever. 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 Whatever you say, fella. Look at that, bro. Come on. This is a glitch, like when you turn like that, bro. You know? It glitches out. You know that, bro? I don't like that, bro. Oh, glider redeploy. What is this? Nah, I don't want that. Glider redeploy. Why not? That can give me some mobility. Give me some mobility, doubles, you know? Alright. There you go. There you have it, bruh. We're moving on in, bruh. See how it stops like that, bruh? You see that? You see how it's glitching on me? Alright, SMX up 77%. NVVE pulling back ever so slightly, but still up 65%. 57% for MNT, baby. Enemy ahead, bro. A little caliente, baby. A little caliente, baby. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, bro, I gotta tell you, I kind of like this. I like this silenced pistol, bro. I'm feeling it, bro. I'm feeling it. Because they don't even realize they're getting shot at, bro. You feel me? They don't realize that I'm smoking them. They don't get it. They don't understand, bro. Poor fella. I always feel bad, you know? It's not, you know, it's not my style to be mean like that, you know? Yes, it is. Yes, it is, bro. Should I take the smokes, bro? What do you think? Smokes or the suppressed? Smoke, right? We're getting to late game right now, you know? Yeah, we're getting into that late game, you know what I'm talking about, doubles? That late game right there. I hear some gunfire over here. I hear some gunfire. I hear gunfire, doubles. But I don't see nothing. Alright. I guess we'll just keep going. You know what I mean, doubles? Yeah? Alright, what do you think, bro? What do you think? Alright, we got 700 folks here. Let's get it to 800. We're watching NVVE moving, breaking out of a pennant ever so slightly. 66%, 1 million float, 57 million volume. Rotations 57x, baby. MNTS, 22 million volume. 11x rotation with a 2 million float. Currently up 58%. We got an enemy, doubles. We got an enemy. Dive. Enemy ahead! Ooh, let's go, baby! Ooh, we gotta finish that guy off, don't we? We just got to. We got to do it. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Right there, bro. Right there, bro. Ah, poor critter. Oh! That had to have hurt, bro. That had to have hurt, bro. Bro. That poor creature. That poor fella, bro. Come on. You gonna tell me you're not upset about that, bro? Come on, doubles. You gonna say you're not even a little upset? Come on now. You can't be that mean now. Come on now. You can't be that mean now, doubles. You can't be. Got him domed. That fella. Man, that is evil, bro. I'm just evil, son. I really am. Doubles. Can we get a share party? SMX moving up 75%. 75%, baby. What is that right there? What is that? A chair? What is it? I don't know. It don't look good. Oh, what's over here, bro? Bruh. There's like a little thingamajig over here. Look. Looka. Right over here somewhere. Oh, look. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get that, bruh. Why not? Maybe I can get a better weapon. Or not. A rift to go, though. I'll take that, bruh. I'll take a rift to go. Why not, bruh? You can't say you don't like that, bruh. A rift to go? How about it, bruh? Let's go. You got any enemies nearby? Enemy. Where they at, bruh? Where's the beef? Let's get that share party. Let's get to 800. NVVE moving 79%. Moving. You still got the audio? We do, bro. We do. See-do. Moving. All right. There we go. Let's go, DBL Moms, DBL Nixon. How was All right, where is everybody? Where are these turkey rolls? Where they at? Where's the beef? Where are they? I feel like a predator, Doubles. I'm like stalking the airwaves, bruh. You know? I feel like stalking a vulture, like not a vulture. What like a hawk, right? A hawk, an eagle, bald eagle. But I'm not bald though. I'm not bald. But is that what they sound like, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. All I know is that we're stalking the airways over here, trying to find another creature to attack. Because that's what we do, Doubles. That's what we do, bruh. Yeah. Woo, look at me. Look at me stalking, bruh. I'm stalking them. I'm gonna stalk everybody. Where you at? Where y'all at, fellas? Where you at? Come and play. Come on, y'all want some? Y'all want some? Right, I didn't think so. I didn't think so. I didn't think they wanted any. I don't think so, Doubles. They're hiding in their houses and stuff. I'm out here. Look, I'm here. Ooh, an enemy. An enemy. An enemy. Enemy. Alright, let's see if we can get this guy. Too many trees in the way, Doubles. I think he probably took the launch over here, the rift. Probably. He probably took the rift. We got consistency wanting us to check out GVH. We will definitely do that. We will definitely do that. Woo! Wait! 30 blue, 30 blue, 30 blue. Boo, 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 boo. Oh, what's going on over here, bro? Oh, man, look at all the stuff that's going on over here, bro. We got activity over here, bro. We got activity, bro. Can you get the news on GVH, Doubles? GVH, check out the news on it. We got Consistency Spike that wants us to check it out. GVH, any news? Let me know if there's news on it. Anything going? Insider buying on the 6th, I tell ya. That's it. Insider buying. What happened on the 2nd? Oh, they did a registered direct offering. Okay, and they raised some loot too. All right, they're making some money. Oh man, they're coming after me, Doubles. They're coming after me. I can't believe it. I can't believe they would shoot at the coach. I can't believe it. It's incredible. It's terrible, I tell you. Go ahead, shoot the coach while he's down. It's okay. It's all right. Ooh, look at that. What's that? You see how they shoot when my back's turned? See how they do it, Doubles? You see how they do it, bro? Is he in a balloon? One of them activated a balloon, bro? For real, bro? For real, bro? For real, for real? For real, for real? Oh my. Oh my. You know I should be getting out of this. You know that, right? You know that, right? But I'm not going to, because I'm gonna test fate, bruh. I'm gonna test fate, bruh. F around and find out, y'all. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go even higher. I'm gonna go higher. Ooh, man, I squeaked, bruh. Ooh, right there, bruh. Right? Yo, that wasn't me. The other guy took care of him. The other guy took care of him, bruh. And now he's trying to take care of me, bruh. I don't understand it. I don't understand what's wrong with these folks. Oh, look at this guy! Look Look, he opened up a fort. Look, look. Tough guy. Come on, tough guy. What's up? What's up, yo? What's up? What's up? What's up, fella? Oh, there's the balloon dude right there, bro. Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh! Bro! I will. There you go. Back in business, bro. Back in business. Let's get a share party. Party, 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 party. NVE up 84%, bro. All right, we're gonna move in, bro. We got plenty of ammo right there. We got plenty of ammo. Let's get some of the map. Ooh, what happened here? What happened here? The balloon guy is lurking, bro. I gotta get out of here, bro. Bye. See you later. See you later, alligator. I see you. I see you. I see you. I see you, fella. I wouldn't want to be a fella. Oh, this creature. Yo, I'm gonna mess him up, bro. Bro, what a turd waffle, bro. What a turd waffle, bro. I don't have any heals, bro. Oh no, dude. You're smoking me out, bro. Ah, dude, he smoked me out. And I got stuck, bro. I couldn't. Oh, man. I can't believe he hit me with smokes, bro. I bet you it was the guy that was up top, too. I bet you it was him. I bet you it was him, bro. Oh, man, that was terrible. That was terrible. I got to see if it was the guy with the mini. I got to see it. It had to be. It had to be. Ah, that's a terrible way to lose a match, bro. Ah, bro. Bro, I can't believe that happened, bro. All right, we're going to go and check the replay real quick, and then we'll check out GVH. GVH for our boy over here, Consistency Spike. GVH. GVH, Global Vend Holdings. It's basically moving in a very consolidated way. It's holding just above the volume weighted average. It needs volume help. You could see that the float, you could see that it's kind of like barcoding, right? If I try to expand it, you could see that it's moving on very light volume. It's currently oversold, right? But it needs volume. Let's see what the volume and float ratio is on that. Let's go check it out. Overview. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Right there. Go ahead. Let me know what the float is on it. Float is 2 million. Not a lot of shit. Not a lot of shares. Pretty low. 2 million. But it only has 397,000 in volume. 397,000 in volume. So that's the issue. It just doesn't have a lot of volume going on. Is there any current news on GlobeVend? Any news on it? Let's see. That was 13G, the insider buying. So it just not getting the attention that the insider buying would typically get. So right now it's up 12%. If it gets some attention and starts getting some volume, maybe something could come of it. It is a low floater, but it just doesn't have the volume right now. That's the issue. So hopefully volume comes in and you make a lot of money. A lot of money on it, baby. A lot of money. Money, 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 money. Money. SMX. Let's check out SMX. It is forming what looks to be a descending wedge bull reversal pattern above the volume weighted average. So maybe it's getting set up for a round 2. Let's see what happens. The RSI is indicating that it's starting to move towards the overbought area. That is a bullish signal, but we need more volume, and we still have 28 minutes before the power hour. I gotta see this guy. I gotta see what happens with this guy. This really annoyed me, bro. It was this guy right here who was dinking me, bro. Pretty sure it was him. Let's see. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Ooh, he drank. And then there's this guy. This is the guy. This guy right here had the minigun. He's the guy that lasered me with the minigun right here. Right? But he got eliminated, so it wasn't him. It was not him, bro. No, this guy got eliminated. This guy just caused the problems of knocking off my shield, you know? But this guy ended up getting eliminated by somebody. He got eliminated by this dude right here. Marijuana 420. That's a creative name. I wonder if his mama's name is Mary. Marijuana. Maybe they're Asian? Could they be Asian? The last name sounds Asian. Mary Hawana. Look, it's Mary Hawana throwing stink bombs on me. What a creep, bro. Oh man. Bro, are you kidding me? Come on, bro. Look at it. Look at this clown dancing, bro. Come on. You kiss your mama with those lips? Come on now. Come on. Ew. Let's get a share party. Let's get to 1,000 folks. We're checking out the stonks right here. SMX breaking out of a descending wedge bull reversal pattern. Can we see $40 again? $40. Can we see $40? NVVE moving on up. It had news, Japanese news, breaking out of the pennant. Doubles. It hit a high after breaking out of the pennant of $4.32. $4.32. NVVE. You could see on this custom scanners that we're sharing from our Discord that it is a low floater of 1 million shares, and it has 63 million in volume, a 63x rotation ratio volume to float. That's really high. And it had news about batteries in some part of Japan and blah, 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 blah. It's up 87%, Right, Doubles? Right. Okay. All right. So that's the story. We're going to keep an eye on it. It's the lead and gainer right now. Let's give it a couple of Fibonacci retracements. The RSI is starting to get overbought, but maybe it'll cool off and keep going. Who knows? We still got another 25 minutes before power hour starts, so there's still quite a bit of time before more volume comes into the market. So let's go ahead and do a Fibonacci retracement so that we have some key levels of support and resistance. You can see right now that it's lingering at around $4.15, which is going to be a support resistance area. We want to see it stay above that. If it doesn't and it starts dipping down to, let's say, $3.90, then we could potentially end up having an irregular double top. We don't want a double top doubles. We want double bottoms. And if you give me a bottom tail, doubles, you know what I'm saying? If you give me a bottom tail, that would be very appreciative of that. I like green ones, though. I want the green ones, you know what I'm saying? Doubles, green bottom tails, that makes me very, very excited. You know what I mean? Doubles, I get a little too excited sometimes. MNTS, week runner, had some news earlier today, drifting up. We could see it's been channeling up, very choppy, but it has been channeling upward, and it's currently up 54%. 54%. This is a 2 million float stock, 23 million in volume, slightly over 10x rotation volume to float ratio, baby. You know what I'm talking about, doubles. You know what I'm saying? RGC, baby. Let's go check it out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's refresh the screen. It froze. It froze. Refresh the screen. Now you can see it. It's trending upward, up 47%. In 13 days, it's going to have earnings. I don't see any news. It is a biotech company, and it has a heavy float of 55 million and only 3 million in volume. So there is no X factor volume to float ratio on this particular ticker. I give you a humble tip my hat to you, being up 47%, but you got only 3 million in volume and you have 55 million in float. What do you want me to do with that? What do you want me to do with that? I'm not going to take that kind of a risk. No. I'm not doing it. LCY, baby. LCY. Formed the pennant. It popped out of the pennant, and then it crashed and burned a little bit. Let's move the pennant over here. Let's go. Let's keep it in a pennant. Why not? Lucy, this stock had news. They had positive Q4 earnings, up 45%, $1 million, 1 million, 1 million, 1 million. But this stock, you know what happens? It tends to run up really hard, and then it eventually fades away. I don't like that about Lucy, but I've made money with Lucy. I traded it today, doubles. I did. I made some money with it this morning, but I traded it early. I did an early show with it. You know what I mean? I did an early show. I said, the news just came out. Let me make a little bit of money. Money. Come on now. Lucy in the sky. Where's Ricky? Ricky? You're so ridiculous, Lucy. Glue. It holds everything together. Glue. Glue. Ha, see I did that? That's a dad joke right there. We said it was a double top, right, doubles? We said that, right? And now it's doing the Flushosaurus Rex. No. I'm not even going to talk about you unless you break that down, Trend Glue. Get your act together. Get it together, I tell you. Get it together. NVVE. Let's go check it out. NVVE. Let's check it out. Ooh, it broke through the resistance. 420 for the memes, baby. 420 for the memes. Come on, can you get back to the previous high of $4.32? Can it break that high? We got significant resistance coming in at $4.50, and then of course probably around $4.75, $5. Yes, sir. So we'll keep an eye on NVVE. It is currently the leading gainer. It's got that battery news in Japan, right? Right? That's what I call it, Japan. Because you want to be cool about it. You know, for everybody else, it's Japan, but for us, it's Japan, yo. What's up? What's up, yo? What's up? Like that, and you gotta do that hand motion in front of you, you know, that hand motion like that, you know, and you gotta like keep your pointer finger and your pinky finger and your thumb out on both hands, you know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about, bro. I have no clue, bro. I don't know. I don't even know what it makes. Yo, like this, DBL arms. Come on, like that. You know this, right? Come on. And then if I cross my arms in front of me.
Coach was just throwing up gang signs.
Yeah, it's the DBL Moms gang. Yeah. It's the Serengeti gang, Serengeti Special gang, ABCD Parabolics. Let's go. Parabolic. Come on, everybody. Parabolic. Leave me alone, doubles. Leave me alone. It's difficult being me, bro. I'm going to go get a dub for the community, though. I tell you that much. Yo, if you're not following on the YouTube channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button on the YouTube channel at Coach Nick Money. And you know you want to follow us on X, so go ahead and follow us on X too at Coach Nick Money. Facebook, Instagram, Threads, and Twitch at Coach Nick Money. And of course, we got TikTok rocking at DBL Nicks. At DBL and ICKS, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money. And you want to come into the Discord and try it out, you're going to do it for $9.99 for a 4-day trial. Just do it, man. You get access to all the scanners. You get access to all the education. You get access to us. You get access to the early watch list. What? You get access to news features. A real business provides you with services, not, we're a community. Come on now. Communities are nice, bro. They're nice. Don't get me wrong, doubles. It's nice to be part of something. You know what I mean? But give me tools, give me education, give me power, empower the community. Empower the community. They got to do better. I'm going to keep raising the bar, Doubles. Let's keep raising the bar. Do you have multiple scanners? Do you have scanners for breakouts? Can I have an amen? Do you have the scanners that pursue the top market gainers? Do you have that? Testify. Don't make me angry. You're not going to like me if I'm angry. Where do I come up with this, Doubles? I don't know. Doubles. It's got to be something that your mother put in the coffee, you know? Something about the coffee got me ornery today, you know? You know what? I don't even want to land over there, bro. I want to land somewhere else, bro. I'm gonna go here, bro. I'm gonna go here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go here, Doubles. I'm gonna go here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Doubles, we got 18 minutes before the power hour starts, Doubles. 18 minutes for power hour. We're watching NVVE moving on up, moving. We gave you the pennant at the beginning of the show, folks. Yes, sir. You saw us draw the pennant. Not financial advice, but I will do a little bit of Flexosaurus Rex. Why not? Why not? You got to always do your own due diligence. Don't follow somebody on social media just because. Don't do that. Don't do that. But if it sounds good, maybe it might make sense to join the Discord and check out what we can offer you as far as tools to help you out in your trade, and right? But ultimately, it's your responsibility whether you win or lose. It's ultimately up to you. So take the tools and learn, baby. Learn, baby. Learn. Learn. Woo! Right, Doubles? What do you think? Does it work like that? Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do this. You know what I need now? I need some shield. I need some shield, bro. Right? I don't like this thing, but I'm gonna carry it anyway. You know? That's from Planet of the Apes, bro. You know that, right? It's from the original. Charlton Heston, bro. Charlton Heston. Just saying, bro. Don't mess with me. You don't want to mess with me, do you? No, don't mess. Oh, what is this, bro? Oh, migration. Oh, migration, bro. How much is the metal? 250 metal, bro? Seriously? There's nothing here. Oh, there is metal. There's metal here, bro. 250. Oh, that's a lot of metal, bro. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get 250 metal because I want that Pumpasaurus Rex, bro. I want it. I needs it. I tell ya. I need it, though. I need it. How much is it? 250, bro. Look at that, a scar, bro. Are you kidding me, bro? Bro, a scar, bro. Bruh, scar, bro. I'm glad I landed here, bro. Holy Toledo, bro. Right? Ain't that SMX, eh? Look at that, bro. Oh, migration. Oh, migration, bro. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, my. Alright, we're gonna go get the Planey Poo. The Planey Poo. What do you think, Doubles? Should we get the Planey Poo? The plane. Come on, man. Let me in. Let me in, I tell ya. Let me in, I tell ya. I think we're gonna go get the plane, bro. I got some good weapons. I hope I don't get eliminated right away, bro. That would really piss me off. You know? Like somebody snipe me or something, you know? I don't like that. You wouldn't like me if I get angry. Come on, man. You wouldn't like me if I was angry. Anger. I have anger issues, you know? I get angry. I get angry. I get angry. Oh, look, there's a gift over here. How beautiful. Yeah, I like that. I want some. Ooh, stink. Dude, stinky. The little stinky over there. I need some healing, bro. Ooh, Ooh, that's what I needed right there. I needed that, bro. I needed that, Doubles. I needed it. Alright, I'm gonna keep stinky, but I'm gonna get rid of this thing right here. Alright, what do you think, Doubles? What do you think? What do you say? What do you think? What do you say? Let's go. Let's go, bro. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Alright. Not a bad looting cycle, right, Doubles? Not bad. I didn't get a lot of mat stuff. That's one thing I'm lacking. We're almost at 1,200 folks. And we could see that NVVE has broken down below the support line. But it did give us a nice little run, breaking out of that descending wedge, bull reversal pattern, that wedge, aka that descending pennant, right? A pennant and a wedge are the same thing, folks. Same thing. You could just call a tomato, you know what I mean? Right, Doubles? The old tomato. You know what? I'm gonna put this on autopilot. I'm gonna have some coffee, Doubles. Why not? Nobody. Yeah, bro. Well, you got that auto run, bro. You know that auto run thing? That's what it is, bro. Yeah. You don't know? You don't know? I gotta teach everything, Doubles, no? I gots to teach everything, Doubles, huh? What? Alright, I'm gonna have some coffee, Doubles. Un cafecito, baby. Let's go, baby. A little coffee never hurt nobody. Put some hair on your chest. You know, if you're a gorilla, you don't. If you're a gorilla, you don't need to worry about that, though. You know what I'm saying? Because you got it already. You got it like that. I got it like that. You got it like that. I got it like that. All right, what are we doing, Doubles? What are we doing? Somebody did a Riftosaurus Rex, bro. Right? Somebody did a Riftosaurus Rex, right? I heard that, bro. Is there any drops anywhere? There's a drop right there. I don't want to go there, though. That's like smack in the middle, bro. Everything. But maybe I will go there if there's some people going towards the drop, and maybe we could, like, do a little bit of an aerial reconnaissance, aerial attack. What do you think, Doubles? Should we do it? Should we do it, Doubles? Should we or should we not? I don't see nobody, bro. You see anybody? Perhaps there's somebody. I don't see nobody. I don't see nothing. I don't see it. I don't see nobody. Okay. Ooh, look, our old landing spot, bro. Nobody here either. Ooh, there's somebody up there, down there. Look. Ooh, look, I'm getting fancy, bro. Did you see what I did? I went through the bridge. I went through the ice bridge, bro. Anybody here, bro? I'm trying to find somebody. I don't see nobody. Let's get that share party going on. We got almost 1,300. Let's push it to 1,400. We're going to Happy Hamlet. We're traveling at 5,000 feet above Happy Hamlet. This is a winter resort area on the island of Fortnite. Very, very lush and plush. You can get a nice room for a mere $50 million quadrillion. Yes, sir. Enemy right there, bro. You saw him, bruh? Yo, this guy is annoying. I'm gonna like do a little flyover. You know what I mean? That was a little flyover on this fella. Getting tired of his nonsense. Where's he at? Where's the beef? Where is he? Right there, bro. Ooh, wee! Maybe. I think we're gonna have to get him again, bro. He's low, bro. I had a match, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Just like that, yo. Just like that, yo. Come on, Indelible. Share it up, baby. Gonna get the victory royale for the community.
Hey.
The community, Doubles, right?
Hey.
Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. ¿Por qué no los dos, baby? ¿Por qué no los dos? Ooh, there's a Riftosaurus Rex over here, bro. Why am I running? Why am I running, bro? Why am I running, bro? Right? Ooh, I like that better, bro. Oh, wee woo, woo.
Wee woo.
The wee woo. Doubles. Wee woo, wee woo. Let's get the plane, baby. We're gonna get a victory royal for the community, Doubles. You know what we do. You know what we do, bruh. That's how we do it, bruh. Bruh. Ooh, a launch pad? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? We can do that, right, Doubles? We can do that. Come on now. Listen, I'm being a little reckless this game. I hope it doesn't cost me. I hope not. I'm not being that reckless, though. I really only had like one elim so far, you know? One elim. I hear some gunfire somewhere over here. I don't know. You see anybody, Doubles? I don't see nobody. SMX moving up 71%. Oh, NVVE pulling back. 67 million. Volume 1 million. Float 67x. Rotation. Float rotation. Volume to float ratio 67%. Very high, very high. Pulling back. It pulled back a little bit more than I'd like. It has pulled back to $3.90-ish, which is the previous high of the pennant. So we need to see it stay above that. We want it to stay above that, right, Doubles? We want that, right? Because if it does not stay above that, you know what happens, right? It could do a Flushosaurus Rex and be a double top. We don't like that. We are very anti-double. Ooh, is that a fella right there, bro? Bro, that's a fella right there, bro. Ooh! Ooh! Hey! Let's go! Let's go! What do you think about that, Doubles? What do you think about that, Doubles? What do you think? Hello. Ooh, another anime right there, bro. Another anime. Another fella. Ooh, hey, come on now. Come on now. Another one, Doubles. And these creatures, look at these creatures, bro. Wow, you gonna snipe me? You gonna snipe me? Is that what you're gonna do? You gonna try to snipe me? He was trying to use the snipper. He was trying to snipe the coach, man. Come on now. Let's share it up. Let's get to 1300. 1300. I think I want to get a fresh plane, bro. Why not, bro? Why not? Let's get a fresh one. We got it like that, yo. We got it like that, bro. Yeah, fresh. Look, fresh. It's brand new. Wow, there was activity right here, bro. Did you see that, bro? There was activity over there, bro. Anybody over here? No, nobody over here. Nobody. All right. We're still doing our aerial reconnaissance, Doubles. We're still doing it. Aerial. We're doing the aerial reconnaissance. There's going to be an enemy somewhere around here. There was somebody over here, bro. That I know. Maybe they moved in, though. You know, Doubles. What do you think? Ooh, Polar Peak is in play, dude. I don't know what to say about that, bro. I don't know what to say about that. I don't know if I like it or dislike it. You know? Yo, if I make this noise with the spacebar, bro, I feel like it's important. No, it really doesn't, bro. Except every now and then it does a thrust and a push. I know, but it sounds like I know how to play, bruh. Come on now.
Not even that. It's like, it just sounds like, yes. Make it go faster, press back.
I know, bro. All I'm doing is breaking my keyboard. It wouldn't be the first time, Doubles.
No.
Come on, Doubles. Stop making fun of the fact that I break keyboards. Stop it. You stop it. You did. Actually, it's not the keyboard that I break. It's the keys. I destroy the key. But you know what? As soon as I changed the style of keys, things got better for me. You know what I mean? Woo! Poor fella! Poor guy, bro. Come on, man. That wasn't even right, bro. It was left. It was left, bro. I was being a little left to the guy. You know what I'm saying, bro? Ooh, another enemy! An enemy! Come over here, fella. Woo-wee. There's 4 people here, bro. You know what I'm gonna try to do? I tell you what I'm gonna try to do, bro. I'm just gonna give you the secret weapon. Here's the secret weapon. I'm gonna try to wait these fellas out, and then when we're done waiting them out, I'm gonna get out of the plane and try to mercantile whoever's left. What do you think, Doubles? Does that work for you? A little mercantilation? A little mercantile. Oh my, what happened here? You're too high, bro. Too high, bro. Alex said, TGL possible, cup and handle forming. I realize I'm about 1 minute delayed if I'm ever wrong or off from what I say. No problem, brother. We'll check it out. I'm in the end game. We'll go and check it out as soon as we're done with the end game because I got to kind of concentrate over here. We got an enemy there. Woo! Ooh! Ooh! I feel so terrible. What? You trying to shoot me? Are you trying to shoot me? He is. He did. He damaged my oh, look at this guy right here, bro. Look at this guy right here, bro. They're trying to attack the coach, I tell ya. It's just not right, bro. It's not right what they're doing, bro. It really isn't, bro. Oh, doubles. It's coming off the mountain. All right. I don't mind. I got to be a little more patient. Let me go this way. I don't want to be predictable. You know what I'm saying? I'm stalking like a shark, bro. Look at that, bro. Look, bro. Look, bro. They're attacking each other, bro. That's good. Ooh, it's a 1v1, bro. Oh, I knocked him off, bro. Yeah! Let's go. Share it up, babies. Let's go. Woo! Wee woo, wee woo, wee woo, baby. Did you like that? Did you like it, bro? Let's go, baby. Let's go. A victory royal for the community. Let's go.
Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy.
I've been wanting to do that forever, bro.
You just hit him with the plane.
We got to do a replay before we do the stock analysis. We still got 2 more minutes before power hour. Let's share it up. We're going to check out TGL real quick, though, before we do the replay. Let's check that out for Alex. TGL. Come on, Indelible Tribe. You love that. Look at that. It's up. TGL, man. It is up. Yes, bro. Up 42%, and it's got a 4x ratio. 4 million volume, 1 million float. It is trending upward, and RSI still has some room. Let's go check it out over here. Let's see if it has any news. Let's see. It's formulating and prostigating and promulgating and percolating and all that other good stuff. What happened here? What happened? January 6th, Treasure Global concludes Alumni Capital Equity Line. I don't know what that means. Announces the conclusion, blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know. It's moving. What happened? It regained compliance with NASDAQ on the 5th. Alex, I think you might be on to something, my friend. I hope you're right. Want to keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on TGL, bro. Keep an eye on it. It's $9.03. It's got a 4x volume to float ratio. Good eye, bro. Good eye. Let's do a little replay of that game, doubles. Let's do it, bro. Come on, should we do it? Shall we replay, bro? Shall we replay? Did DBL Moms see it? DBL Moms, did you see it? Can I get a DBL Moms? Hey! Let's go. Right over here, bro. I don't want to say nothing, but that was like a photo finish for the Indelible Pride. And then we're going to talk about stonks that are going to run. And, oh, man, this is just so much fun. Let's share it up. Come on now. We got to see. I want to see it from his perspective. I want to see the fear as my fighter jet came in. Like that, bro. Here, let's put it from his perspective, bro. Bro, you know he was sweating it, bro. Come on. Here's these cats over here battling it out. Battle Royale, yo. Look at him. He got himself on a little launch pad. Right. He's like he shot the launch. He shot the rocket launcher, bro. Yeah, look. Look, he sure did. Look. So he sees me trying to mess with these fellas over here, right? I'm doing his work for him. He's got his little space shuttle over there, you know? I'm doing his work for him, you know what I mean? And then he tries to, you know, I should slow it down, right? Let me slow it down. Hold on. See? Look. Looka. Hold on. Let's go back a little. Hold on. Let's do this a different way. Yeah, let's do it from gameplay, bro. Let's do it from his perspective. The terror the poor fella must have experienced, I tell you. Look. Yeah, he did bring it upon himself. He shot on the coach, bro. He shot on the coach. I mean, I'm doing your work for you. I eliminated... Hell, I didn't eliminate them, but I caused problems for the other folks. And you go and attack me for that? I mean, you should be thanking me for that. I made you a second place winner, fella, which means you're the first loser. Let's share it up. Let's get 1,500 folks in the stream as we watch TGL moving. TGL moving. Watch, he's gonna miss with the RPG right here, bro. Watch, bro. I'm gonna speed it up to 25. Watch, DBL Moms. Watch how he misses with the RPG. He tried to hit my vessel, bro. He tried to hit my vessel, bro. Look. Oh, bada bing. Oh no, I'm falling and I can't get up. Oh no, get my safety button so I can get some help. Oh, I got my RPG. My RPG is not gonna help me. Where's the bounce pad? Oh, it's not near me. Oh, it's spinal. Oh, spinal. And the champion wins for the Indelible Tribe. You're welcome. You're welcome very much. Let's take a look at the stonks now. That was beautiful, right, Doubles? That was beautiful. Very well done. Bravo. Golf clap. Give me a golfer's name. Give me a golfer's name. How about Nicholson? No. What about the guy? No. The one that made the iced tea and lemonade. What's that called? Arnold Palmer. Bravo. Very nice. Let's go get some information on some stocks. So our boy Alex in the it's not the Windy City, man. What they call Boston? Beantown. From Beantown. I don't know if he's from Beantown, but he said he's from New England, right? He gave us TGL. TGL is a 1 million float stock with 4 million volume. It has news that it regained compliance with the Nasdaq, baby. Nasdaq currently up 45%, pulling back from a bullish breakout. 9 EMA separating somewhat from the volume weighted average, but RSI still has room to grow, baby. So TGL is the situation right there. NVVE is the leading gainer, and it broke out independent that we created earlier in the show, and it certainly ran up, but now it looks like it's forming a potential double top. We don't like doubles. We like double bottoms. And so this is no bueno. It needs to hold this level and curl, baby, curl if it can. If it can't, then like that. SMX expansive stock, but it has been parabolic for months, bro. Forming a descending wedge bull reversal, but the 9 EMA seems to be curling downward and potentially threatening the volume weighted average at around $32.35. RSI is complying with that. We are officially in power hour, 4 minutes into power hour, 3:04 p.m. So it needs to get some volume love to be Shamexy to me. Lucy had news of positive Q4 earnings, $1 million, 45% year over year. But they tend to like lose their pop. You know, they pop and then they drop very quickly. So right now it's in a pennant formation. We need to see it pull upward and continue to move upward. The 9 EMA is trying to move upward. I guess I would say about $1.80 would be the next resistance area, and then $1.95, $2 would be another resistance area. It needs to clear all those areas. It needs to get some volume, and RSI needs to show me that it's moving up towards overbought to be schmexy to me. RGC. Let's take a look at it. It's trending upward. It's just a heavy floated stock, 55 million shares. That's a lot of float, bro. And it's moving on 3 million volume, and it's also expensive at $48 and change per share, $47 and change per share, but it is up 45%. Doubles 45%. Let's go back to TGL, the stock that Alex found, and it's trending upward. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not? It looks kind of juicy. It regained compliance with NASDAQ. Why not? NVVE. I'm concerned a little bit about NVVE because it already ran quite a bit, and maybe it's going to fade away. I hope not. But that 9 EMA is certainly starting to point downward, and that is not a good sign during power. Back to TGL, no, wrong one. TGL. Come on now, cooperate, will you? It's just trending on up. And we can create an upward channel for it to show that it's trending up. It looks schmixy. Hopefully it will continue to trend up, and I hope my boy Alex makes a lot of money with it. He made a lot of money with MNTS, and he made a lot of money with SKYQ. Let's go for Alex. Let's go, baby. Let's go. ERAS is popping off. Alex said ERAS is popping off. Also got halted at 70% on good volume. Let's check it out. Alex is crushing it, bro. Come on now. Araska. Wow, what a pop-up like that. Look at that. Let me know what the volume is. ERAS. Volume and float. Let's see. Is there any news on it? Any news on ERAS? Let's see. Any news? Look, there's something there. Therapeutics, and other big stocks moving higher on Wednesday. That was the news. That's it. That was the news. Was there any news prior to that? It got a buy alert from a company. Yeah, so what? That don't mean nothing. Don't mean nothing. Let's see what the floating volume is for ERAS. The float. The float is mass. No. What is the float? 10 million, right below it. 10 million.
No, that's short float.
16 million. What's the 16 million?
No, that's the short float.
Oh, wait, what's the float?
The float is 249.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're right. Oh, the float is high, bro. It's 240 million, bro. 240 million, bro. And the volume's only 13 million, bro. So this could be a situation where you get pops and drops, and that's exactly what happened with ERAS. The float is too high. I don't like it. I do like TGL though. Let's see. Do your own research, folks. This is not stock advice. This is just a show. Ladies and gentlemen, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money. Make sure you set the notifications on. We got the morning show called Microcap Mornings at 8:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is with the co-host of this show, DBL Nicks in the house, a.k.a. the Rainmaker, baby. The Rainmaker. And he's out there with the Serengeti specialist in the Serengeti pursuing all the parabolic plays. We like to call them Parabolics, pre-market into the open of regular hours with the Serengeti specialist herself, the one, the only, the ABCD huntress of all parabolic plays, DBL Mom's in the house. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Also, follow us on x.com, aka Twitter, at Coach Dick Money. At Coach Dick Money. We got 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all kinds of information about financial news, and then Monday through Friday, pre-market, regular hours, and after hours, everything and anything you want to hear about pertaining to microcap and small cap stocks. You want technical analysis? We got that. You want some news information? We got that. You want some filing information? We got that. We got it like that. You got it like that? We got it like that. I got it like that? You got it like that. You get it like that because I got it like that. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do, yo. That's what we do, yo. Don't make me shake my hand. I will. Yo. I'm flexing again, yo. Flexing again. I wish I had a camera so I could show the folks that I was flexing for them. Flexing for them. Like that. Anyway. Let's get a share party. We're almost at 1,600. Let's get to 1,700. We're having fun with the peoples. We're having fun with the peoples, yo. We're having fun. Why not? Come on now. Let's go, baby. Come on. Make stonks fun again. Right? Doubles? Make stonks fun again. Or I could be boring like everybody else. The stock is forming a descending wedge. Descending wedge to the demand zone. No. We got to get all them parabolic plays, y'all. The Parabolics, yo. All right. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and Threads at Coaching Money.
At Coaching Money.
Twitch at Coaching Money.
Coaching Money.
And of course on TikTok, we're at DBL Nicks.
Felix.
DBL Nicks, and the screen name is Coach Nick Money, baby. And of course, if you want to gain access to the Discord community, gain access to the Market Mover Scanner, gain access to the Breakout Scanner, gain access to the Early Watch List, gain access to all the research tools we have, gain access to news pertaining to the different stocks, gain access to all the filings of the particular stocks, know whether or not there's a low float or a high float stock, what's the volume to float ratio, and get educational content, well, then go and take a 4-day trial for $9.99 and see what we do for yourself. The link's in the description and in the pinned comment. Folks, you are indelibles. Why? Because I want y'all all to leave your mark and make it unerasable, a.k.a. indelible, baby. Indelible. I want you to achieve your goals, your aspirations, your dreams, and I want you to be inspirational to others, because it's always a lot more fun making money and having a good time with other people. Lift people up. Why not? Why not, doubles? Why not, doubles? Why not? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, right? Indelibles, you're awesome. I want to thank you. All joking aside, I want to thank you so much for joining us. I hope we made you laugh. I hope you learned a bunch of stuff. And I just hope you have a great day. I want you to have a very greenable day. Coach Nick Money here with